In this video, I am going to teach you how to send a payment link using Wise, so you can easily receive money from anyone, anywhere. This is great for freelancers, small businesses, or just splitting bills with friends. Let's get started. Go to the Wise application on your phone and sign into your account so you're ready to create the link. Next, click Payment at the right bottom corner to access payment options. Under Payment Tools, you can see Send via Link. Click it to start creating your payment link. Now click Create a Link so you can enter the payment details. Choose a currency, input the amount, and choose a payment method. For this video, I will choose bank transfer as an example. Just click Continue and follow the confirmation steps to finalize and share your link. And that's how simple it is to send a payment link in Wise. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and easy tutorials. See you next time!